Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
The dash a digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all about this new hair. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I sometimes go back and forth between like black and platinum blonde, and I'm back with this hair. Right now it's in a braid. I'm going to show you what it looks like from start to finish. I'm going to show you what it looks like out, all of that, and I'm going to let you guys know how I got it to this shade right here, because if you guys know, most 613 wigs, which are like platinum blonde wigs, usually come a lot more yellow blonde. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys today how I got this wig, this actual blonde color, like this kind of more like whitish, cool tone blonde. I did a video a while back on hair just like this from Eva Wigs as well, and I actually didn't really show you guys in that video how I got the hair to that color, because that time it was kind of a fail. But in this video I'm actually showing you guys how I toned the hair. It's super easy and definitely at home friendly, especially if you're a wig beginner. And I think that's everything I have to tell you. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off by giving you the exact specs on this wig and tell you about this wig in particular. So this is a full lace wig. The color is in 613 and the hair length is in 26 inches. The density is 150%, so it's like a little bit thicker than usual. The lace color I got is in light brown, and this is a custom wig. So I got a widow's peak, and this is the cap construction 3A, which I believe is glueless full lace wig, and I got a small cap size if you're wondering. I will have all of that listed down below just in case you want to look over it again, as well as the direct link to this wig, as well as just the website. Eva Wigs, they did send me this wig. As always, you guys know, before anyone ever sent me wigs, hair, clothing, anything, I saved up my money, I work, I still work and save up my money, and I buy things. So I don't ever want anyone wasting their money on things if it's not worth it. So you guys know how that goes, and you know, we always like to save money, we always like to make the best of our money, and we always like to buy things that are worth it. So that's just putting that out there. This isn't necessarily going to be like a tutorial. It's kind of just going to be me showing you how the wig came packaged to me. I'm also going to show you guys clips of what I actually did to customize this wig. I didn't show the installation process, so if that's what you guys are here for, if you guys are interested in that, I'll have a video linked down below of one of my previous wig install videos, and I'll also have some videos linked down below that I watched to do the particular method that I did today. And then in the end of the video, I'm going to just show you guys a little bit more of the hair and how it is now, and I might actually like take it out of the braid and straighten it. So that is everything. I will probably leave timestamps down below if you're interested in a specific thing, but we're just going to go ahead and get started with the unboxing and the packaging. So if you guys want to know how to style your platinum blonde hair, how to get it to look like this, or just know more about this wig in particular, then just keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and click that little notification bell so you do not miss a video. And also, I'm currently hosting a back to school supplies giveaway, so I'll have it linked down below. And yeah, you guys can also follow me on Instagram, which I'll have linked down below if you guys want to check out as well. So the wig came in this black box, which is standard for Eva Wigs. It says Eva on the front, like lower right hand corner. When you open up the box, the wig is the first thing that you see, and the wig is actually faced the other way with the little sticker that tells you the exact specs of the hair. But that side hat also comes with like your address and information. So I actually just flipped it over just for, you know, privacy purposes. And we're gonna get into the wig a little bit later, but they also included some goodies, which is really generous and friendly, and it's really nice that they actually included things that are beneficial to the installation process. They included a 2-piece wig cap, which is very nice. They also included a wig comb. They used to have silver ones, but I guess they have black ones now, and I love these because they're just wide tooth combs and they're really durable and sturdy. They also included an elastic band in case you use that method to install your wigs, which is really nice. And they also included some bobby pins. Now, as you guys saw before, the wig came in this plastic bag, and again, on the outside there's a little sticker that has the exact specs of what the wig is. Now, this is because this is a custom wig, so it did take longer to process, and I did put exactly how I want the wig and like all the different details. As standard, the wig came with a hairnet around it, and it came with the little tissue paper inside just to help hold its shape. And like I mentioned, this is a full lace wig, So from ear to ear and in the back, you get like the thinner kind of like Swiss lace, and then in the center, you get like the regular like lace. That's usually a standard on full lace wigs. There are 3 combs in the front, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle. There's no comb in the back, but there are adjustable straps. And as you guys can see, even in this clip, the hair was a lot more yellow undertoned and a lot more like blonde, I guess, looking. And here you guys can see how the wig looks straight out of the pack. It was so soft. Like, this hair is really so soft, and after I shampooed and conditioned it, it feels just as soft. So that is a really, really good sign, especially because it's 613, really blonde hair. I've gotten wigs in the past that right off the bat, they weren't the softest. So the things that I use to customize this wig are the Shimmering Lights purple shampoo. I don't know if it's called purple shampoo, but it's just the purple toning shampoo. I got this in my local beauty supply store, and then I personally this time used Ghost Bond to install this wig. I did not show that process because this was my first time ever using it, but again, I'm gonna link a few videos down below that I watched and I followed the exact same method. So if you guys are interested in applying your wigs that way, I normally use the Got To Be glue method, and then in the past I've also used some other, like I used the B&W lace glue, which are all fine, but I just wanted to try something else for like a stronger hold. So moving on to toning. In the past, I have overtoned blonde hair, which is something that's really scary. The Shimmering Lights toner, then the shampoo and conditioner, on natural hair it tends to not really stain so much, but on wigs I feel like because the hair isn't attached to the scalp, it's a lot more prone to getting stained from the purple. So I definitely recommend that you don't just apply the shampoo to the hair, even if it's underwater. I definitely recommend lathering it first. So as you guys can see in the beginning, I just wet the hair completely, and then I lather the purple shampoo, and then I kind of like start at the bottom and work my way up. But then I realized that it was really easy, and it actually was really effective to just add water in the sink, and just like, you know, I plugged the sink up so that the water can fill up a little bit, and I just added the purple shampoo to the sink to kind of create a little like purple shampoo bath for the hair, and it actually worked out really well. So I did go ahead and lather some of the shampoo and actually like kind of run that directly through the hair, but then I also just let the wig sit in this little kind of like bath for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I found that this worked out perfect. Now, it's not as white or grayish as it has been in the past. It's definitely still blonde, but I feel like it toned it perfectly, and it has different dimensions and tones in the hair, which I really like how it came out. So I feel like definitely if it's your first time toning hair, this method is really good. I'm not too sure if anyone has said this before, but I never figured it out. It kind of was just trial and error, and I think it worked out really well. So I just rinsed it out and I applied some conditioner. I typically, which I always do in my wigs, I let the hair like sit in the conditioner for about 10 minutes. That's just my preference, just to, you know, let it soak in and add a little bit of moisture back to the hair. And then I went ahead and rinsed it out, and I put it on my wig head and I let it air dry overnight. The next thing that I did was I went ahead and I plucked the hairline. I didn't really show this too much because my camera was dying during this process, but again, in my other videos I have me showing myself how I actually customize my little wigs, apply them, pluck my hairline. So I'll link all my other wig install videos and tutorials down below, and also if I see any other like YouTube videos that are I think will be helpful to you guys, then I'll also link that down below. So again, I use the Ghost Bond method, which I again did not ever use before. I think it worked out pretty well. I applied it earlier today and I actually went to work. I actually just got back from work. That's why my hair is in this braid. And it feels completely secure. I don't have any budging. I use the Ghost Bond Platinum. So yeah, I know there's different ones. I don't know if that's the regular one or if that's different from like the XL. I know there's like different variations. So again, it was my first time trying it. It's definitely something to be careful with, and I definitely think if you're not familiar with applying wigs with glue, then definitely do your research. Again, it was my first time, so that's why I didn't really show you guys and want to do a tutorial on it, because I didn't really know what I was doing. And when I did put on the wig, the lace actually came down to like here, and I had to cut around my ears, but I showed that again in one of my previous videos. So again, this video is more just me showing you guys how I tone the wig and how I just customize it, and basically showing you guys what this wig looks like. So I'm going to take the wig out of this braid just to show you guys like the hair and the length. I think, oh, the wig definitely got wavy from it being in this braid all day, which I think actually looks cute. I wish I braided it all the way down because it would have been way cuter. But this hair is so soft, guys. And like, look how it's so like lustrous. It doesn't look dry. The only thing I would say is that it says it's 150 density, but I feel like it's more just like 100 density or 130. I don't think the hair is thin at all, but I'm not really finding that it's like overly thick. So that's the only thing I would say. Again, this hair was just in a braid all day, and I didn't braid it all the way to the bottom, so the ends are kind of like straight. But I'm just gonna back up and show you guys the length. I don't know if you guys can see, but again, it's 26 inches. And you guys can see the hair has movement. It's so soft. Guys, I really love this wig. Like, I think it's so cute. Man, I really love how this looks. I think I'm gonna probably put it in a different, like a new braid, but braid it all the way down. But I think this is so cute. Let me know down below if you guys like the blonde hair on me. I'm gonna go ahead and just go over like my overall first initial review and opinions on the hair, just to kind of, you know, let you guys know what I think. I think the quality of the hair is really good. I think the cap construction is really good. Like, the lace is really nice. The cap itself is put together super cleanly, and it looks really good on the inside as well as on the outside when it's actually on your head. Tangling, none at all. Shedding, I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but not really anymore. I think because I would tweeze the hairline and I had to cut the lace and things like that, I was getting like an initial shedding, but I will let you guys know if that continues. I haven't really gotten any since that, but when I did do like the tweezing process and the installation process, I was getting a little bit of shedding. So I'll let you guys know about that. But I don't really think that it's gonna be an issue. I usually expect that when I'm tweezing the hair, that I don't really catch everything that was pulled out. I think the hair is true to length, and I think the hair looks really nice. Again, it's really easy to work with, and I definitely think if you wanna rock like platinum hair, this is definitely the company to go with, or the wig to go with, because again, I've gotten like platinum blonde wigs from other companies, and it's something that is kind of the quality ranges, and it's really, like, I feel like a black wig or like, you know, just like a straight wig, you kind of can get from anywhere and make it work. But I feel like a platinum blonde wig, like, I don't know, it's not something you really can get from anywhere, especially human hair, because a lot of times the hair will come like already damaged, or like it's just not really, the quality isn't really up there. So yeah, I definitely recommend Eva wigs for all their wigs, but definitely their blonde wigs, because I've gotten wigs from them in the past and the blonde ones are always so good. And again, I mentioned I got blonde wigs from other companies and they're just, they really don't compare. Yeah, I'm gonna come in a little closer. Right here you can see some black hair. It's my natural hair. I did like install it in front of my hairline, but I have like baby hairs that I feel like are just so stubborn and they never really slick back. I do think I can go in and make this part look a little better, and I do think I could probably pluck a little more, but for the most part I feel like it's really not that bad. And again, I just installed it earlier and then I had to go to work. I didn't really have time to like completely perfect it exactly how I want, but I definitely think that it was completely like fine to wear out. I got so many compliments on it. And again, it gave me no problems, and it's really versatile. And again, full lace wigs I feel like are so versatile. I prefer them so much more, because you don't have to worry about like when you're putting your hair in a ponytail, or if you want to put it half up half down, or just anything, you don't have to worry about like track showing. And I feel like, yes, they can be a little bit more pricey, but I feel like it's worth it so much. So yeah, I think that's all my opinions on this hair. Because it is installed, I am going to be wearing it for a little bit longer, so I will definitely be letting you guys know my opinions and giving you guys updates. You guys can also check the description box, because I am going to be updating probably in there, or maybe in the comments. I'll like post a comment in a week or so and like pin it, just letting you guys know if anything changes. But if I don't post anything, it's probably because my opinion remained the same and I probably still love the hair. So yeah, I definitely think if you've never tried out a blonde wig and you're interested, or if you're looking for like a good blonde wig, definitely check out Eva wigs, or check out this wig in particular. They also have a ton of different wigs on their website. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions or concerns that I didn't answer in this video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, and I'm gonna try my best to answer all of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like this hair on me. Again, I'm hosting a giveaway right now, so I'll have that link down below. And also be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.